Sunday sitting on your back porch, and I came on with a couple of chords and I played for you. You let me keep you entertained with stories I exaggerate that you know aren't true. And as you sit there making daisy chains and I throw in a hand grenade and tell you how it is, I really feel for you. I'm sending postcards from my heart with love for a postmark, and then you'll know that you make me feel like we've been caught like kids in the schoolyard again. And I can't keep it to myself, can't spell it any better, L-O-V-E forever. I hope you'll know I'm sending a postcard. I don't care who sees what I've said, or if the whole world knows what's in my head. We chased the sun till it got away on a bicycle that your daddy made, but not made for two. Then we sat out on your rocking chair, you with a flower in your hair that I found for you.